What's up, guys? Man, welcome back to another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here. Got that truck in the back, dog. Oh, wait. It's time to get this thing shoved up. We threw the fenders and everything on there yesterday. Got that gas tank out. I gotta go to the car wash because y'all see the dirt is literally packed on this thing, man. So let's hop in this bad boy and go get this thing pressure washed out, at least cleaned up a little bit better, man. Riding in this thing, dog. This thing pretty smooth. We still got our check engine light on. That's because of the O2 sensors. You guys know that, but we in this big old truck freaking ride and glide. We definitely about to pull right up into the car wash, big dog. Fuck, I'm in this motherfucker. Oh, we swerving this big old truck. I know that for sure. Swerving this truck, dog. All right, man, let me get back to this wash and I'ma get with y'all in a second, dog. Alrighty, we got this thing wiped down again. Well, not wiped down, but at least cleaned up again. All that dirt and stuff that was on this thing was just packed up. But we're about to head to the homie house, wipe it down, shine it up. Get it ready to head back to the house, and then you guys already know when we get to the house, man, it's gonna be game time. So let's just hop back in the truck. We ain't about to dry it off. We're just gonna air dry it and go on about our day. Alrighty, we just pulled up to the homie house, man. This thing is looking beast already. We ain't even do nothing to it, but man, it's got a lot of potential, that's for sure. I still need to take off these little brush guard little thingies right there. But other than that, cleaned up pretty nice. Y'all know I gotta hit the outside up real quick. Just wipe it down real quick, but inside and everything probably be a little bit better. I need some floor mats or something because this little slippery floor is not gonna work for me. But yeah, man, we ready. We are ready. I'm about to probably hop on the bike in a little bit though, but man, this thing is clean. Now, just by looking at it, definitely gonna tackle this today because this is definitely gonna be a no-no. So we're gonna paint the whole inside of this thing black and then top it off with like some bed liner. The front has that wheel well in there, so you're good there. But definitely want to tackle like the bottom and stuff, just black it all out underneath just so it'll look a lot better. So we'll see what we can get done, but the backs is literally like whoop. But man, there's so much space in this thing now, dog. This thing looks so much better without that big old fuel tank and all that, man. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think about the truck in the comments below, dog. Y'all see how the homie pull up? Okay. What's up, man? Y'all see how the homie pull up, man? Alright, man, you gotta cut the music, man. I got this copyright going, man. Niggas got boxes, man. What's that? That's some race stuff, man. Hey, man, niggas going up, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. So what's up, man? We sliding today or what? Or are you just showing off right now? Because I know you. Man, my boy pulled up with the joint. You feel me? Y'all see the little tools right there, man. Big bottles and all that. Man, I ain't gonna say too much, man. Just know this thing is fast. And he's scraping the pipe in the bags every time he pop clutch on a nigga. So y'all see what's going on. Look, every time, man. So we gonna get out here today, man, get some dope action. So stay tuned for that. And we'll see what's up. Damn, look at this motherfucker right here, though. That motherfucker stupid. Nigga, that motherfucker stupid, nigga. On me. For sure, bro. That motherfucker hard. Woo, got the parts in that motherfucker. That motherfucker's hard. All right, we just got back to the crib. We got some all-purpose black paint. We got some bed armor, truck bed liner or whatever. Got some bed liner for that thing. So we gonna cover it mostly with the regular black spray paint first, and then because we only got 2 bottles of the bed liner, so we'll try to get, you know, the finish with that thing, dog. So we gonna see what's up. All right, I don't got my tripod with me today, but y'all gonna have to bear with me, man. This is probably just like a halfway, not even a halfway, just a quick start / base coat. You guys seen how bad it looked before, but still got the top of the edge to go because I'm literally looking at it like this. So when I look at it like this, it looks like it's done, but I guess I gotta go under there and really get it right. But you guys can just see the comparison, how much better it's gonna look. So let's just keep going and get it right. Alrighty, few more sprays. Still got this little middle piece right here. Like I said, guys, I'm on the other side of this tire, so once I take the tires off, I can really get the stuff I missed. But we're gonna get everything we can literally see right here. You can look underneath, you still see that pipe is like super rusted, but just look over here, it looks really good. And that's literally just the first coat, so it's just making it look a little better, you know, the little details. So let's keep it going, dog. So we got the back looking a little bit better, guys. Still a few spots we are missing up at the top, but just want to get the stuff we can see right now done before we get to the house. We can do all that stuff later, but cleaned up really nice, man. Looks way better than that rest, because when you step back, it just flows a lot better, man. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think so far. All right, so we pretty much got half of this side done. If we look up close, I showed y'all to step back. If we look up close, we still got some spots we need to hit. It's like piles of dirt right here. We'll get that today because I didn't see that before, but we'll get that taken care of today. But you guys can literally just see, got that black going, and then got this part halfway done. We ran out of regular paint, so now it's time to hit it with this bed liner and try to seal the deal on this thing, man. So alrighty, guys, so we got this thing pulled in. We got, oh yeah, we didn't even hit the front. We got the bottom of this thing all blacked out, looking good. Looks really good under there. So now what we're doing, the rear end is literally like super dirty. So we want to get all that gunk and stuff from under there so we can spray that rear end black. As for this side, it looks good. It's black and everything too. It's ready to go. And underneath there, the stuff that you can see at least, it's nice and black, man. So let's pressure wash this thing down and get it going. Man, I don't got my tripod today, y'all, so y'all gonna have to bear with me, dog. We got the underneath this thing looking literally way cleaner than it was. It was literally like tacks of dirt and stuff everywhere. So now it's time to get this bed like
once you rinse it and get the
just ready to go.
Then you use the broom with this.
Oh yeah, and scrub it. Oh yeah, I mean, we're gonna have to get that.
Shit gotta come out first.
Oh yeah, we're gonna take all this out, man. So let's stand by. Probably gonna snatch this weather guard out and go from there, man. Went ahead and pulled that that workbench out. I mean, the little chest. Man, this thing got so much room now. Look at all this gunk and dirt and all that stuff, man. We about to get this thing shined up today, dog. I cannot wait. This dude's pressure washer is like way better than every pressure washer I used at the car wash, so I know what to get now, man. But thing is looking real nice without the little tool chest on there, man. I'm digging it. What y'all think? All right, y'all, we done pulled the freaking little bed liner that they had. Man, look at all the dirt and everything just gunked up. So we got the shovel. We're gonna shovel all that dirt and stuff out and get this thing really, really clean, man. So we're like steps away from making this truck our own. And then of course, we'll probably pressure wash that and get it cleaned up and throw it back in here, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, man. I think it was pretty tough. Man, dog, we freaking went in on this thing. Still gotta just literally go get a close-up on all the little mud spots. But you know, once I rinse it out and stuff again after, well, we're gonna rinse it out right now, but we got the tool chest back in there. So if y'all look underneath, just look how clean it's up in there. Let's just rinse it out real quick and we should be good to go. And we got this thing pressured down. We got the driveway clean again. We got the back end of this thing looking cool. So y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is looking good. I'm gonna probably go to a car wash, pressure wash, and just get all the little mud. Cause it's a bunch of little mud stains. Like, you see how clean this side is, and then just look at this side. So we got a little bit of ways to go, but it is looking way better than it did. So that's a plus too, man. Let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments, dog. Alrighty, before we hop back on these bikes, man, I want to show y'all these new Everything's Regular camo, like trucker caps, man. These things are freaking beasts. We got white and orange, we got black and orange. You guys let me know what y'all want to do, man. They live on the website right now, so go get yours now. Man, the homies is on the block going crazy. They done doubled up and then vet they got the red and the yellow. I'm dying. I need to go get my vet. That's funny. Man, what that motherfucker do, man? I know you turned the traction off, man.
I ain't even turned him off.
Nah, you
yet.
gotta turn it all the way off, bro. Going up, look, hey. Oh my God. Hey, I swear that's the funniest shit ever, bro. Niggas is going up. Man, we about to get ready to hop on these bikes, dog. I ain't pulled my bags off in a minute. Y'all know I had to clean them wheels down. Y'all know we don't play, man. All wet stuff, dog. Everything gotta be wetted up, clean. That bad boy, man. That chrome get off. Ooh. Yeah, it's time to pull up, though, man. Enough of this.
I put that bitch in New York. I put on Christian Dior. I pull up the Illy truck. I pull up the Illy truck. I put my trust in her. Point wet me. She don't love free in the street. I'm getting hit while I'm gripping down. You don't need no why. Send the back, you don't need no time. Just keep it weight on me. I'm good, glad I tried. Don't let no, you don't need no to ride. Don't need no chain. Turn nigga down when you see me on the train. When you see me on the tight.
dog, we just pulled up to the beach, dog. This thing is so beautiful. Y'all gotta keep this view, like, just look at it. Real nice view. We got the bikes right here and everything, dog. So that was a fun little day. We got some stuff on the truck done and everything, man. So alrighty, guys.
Slide.
We got this thing freaking loaded up on the truck, man. This is a crazy feeling right here, dog. See, if this little tool chest wasn't in here, man, we'd be able to load the whole bike up in here and close the thing and everything. Me personally, that's what I want to do, but that nigga is funny. I pull up, I'm on my way to Vegas. The homie pull up acting a fool. That nigga pull up acting a fool. That nigga is crazy. That nigga is wild, man. We got the bike out here, about to go the fuck up. Hey, the homie is crazy. Nigga, what, you just flew back out here and just got this shit or what?
I had to drop the other bike off and tell you at the shop.
Oh, okay. Now this motherfucker clean too. I like this.
Double back to LA, fuck it.
Yeah. They about to go. I like these little lights on the handlebars. All right, so y'all know our gas gauge is like kind of off. We don't know how much gas we got. We just know we got to keep it full, man. So this is pretty much the halfway point to where we got to go. So I'm filling this thing back up, and we hopping right back on the road, dog. We done checked our straps and everything and tightened it down. Everything is still tight, so we're good to go there. Everything is still good back here, so that's a plus, man. That's a plus. Let's get it though, man. Next morning here, we done made it to the crib. Freaking, I ended up putting the wrong key inside of the saddlebag last night. Got my main Harley key. This is the one that starts the bike. Got this thing bent up and stuck in there. Literally had to pull it out. As soon as I pull it out, it freaking falls out like the key. So I got the lock over there. I'm gonna put it back on. Yeah, guys, the task this morning is gonna be offloading this thing. So you might have to ride up to Harley and get this thing offloaded. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys haven't already, please go to the website, cop your merch. New everything's regular caps. We got them in black and white. You already know, you see it with the camo orange on the side. But yeah, man, happy to be with y'all today. I'm happy to get the truck back. Can't wait to get back home and get started on that thing, man. So be sure to tune in tomorrow for that video, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.